How to multiply decimals. When multiplying decimals, the key is to keep track of the number of decimal places. Learn how with this guide. You will need decimal numbers, whole numbers, a calculator, and decimal places. Step 1. Multiply the two numbers containing decimals the same way you would if they were whole numbers containing no decimals. For example, to multiply 0.5 and 2.2, first obtain the product of 5 times 22, which is 110. Step 2. Count how many digits follow the decimal points in the two decimal numbers you are multiplying. In the case of 0.5 and 2.2, there are a total of 2 digits following the decimal points. Step 3. Position the decimal point in the answer, also known as the product. The product will have as many decimal places as the sum of the decimal places in the two original numbers, also called the multiples. First, add up the number of decimal places in the two multiples. For instance, there is 1 decimal place in 0.5 and 1 decimal place in 2.2. 1 plus 1 equals 2, so the answer should have 2 decimal places. Step 4. Starting at the right of the product, shift the decimal point to the left the same number of places as the sum of the decimal places in your product. The product, 110, becomes 1.10. Step 5. Eliminate any zeros at the end of the product. 0.5 times 2.2 equals 1.1. Did you know? The word decimal comes from the Latin word for tenth part.